How do you feel today?
Great.
Yeah. How has been the journey generally?
Well, some were tiresome, but at least I'm okay. Yeah.
What do you expect? What was your intention of joining this time that I have to go to Enamugongo? What was your mission?
There are a lot.
Like it?
There are many. One, some traffic are being sent at our places, and some other issues that affect our family. Yeah.
Is it your first time join this whatever? It's your time, and you've enjoyed it.
I've enjoyed it.
So what can you tell to other people who have never attended to this?
One thing, you have to believe in themselves that they can do this.
How has been this? Is it enjoyable?
Yes.
Have you enjoyed the day?
Yes.
What is unique about this? What is special about this day?
What is special is the Lord has changed my life.
So you are expecting a lot from Enamugongo?
Yes.
What are you expecting from Enamugongo?
The Lord is going to give me knowledge and eternal life.
So you moved from where?
Sorry?
You moved from where?
From Lamu.
What's your name?
Mary.
Is it?
Mary.
Mary who?
Nakula.
Good evening, sir. How are you? Yeah. So how is that this day?
It's good.
It's good.
Yeah.
What is unique about this day?
It's very smart.
Yeah. So you moved from where?
From
From Umbare. Can you say anything in Irugisu to your friends who remain there and those who are wishing to join? Can you say any word to them in Irugisu?
Nirugisu. Baramusiza mwenda tukamuje no mutujeni yako Enamugongo.
Is it your first time to join this?
No.
Way. Murundi kwa kumeka?
Bakoze.
So the other first whatever, did you experience anything? Did you get anything from it?
No.
You didn't get anything good through the other pilgrimage.
Yeah.
Owagenda Enamugongo toyina kyewafunamu
Nafunamu.
ng'eki?
Nafunamu nga okusoma obulungi. N'okubonera bazadde bange binasaba byonna nebiyitamu.
Which class are you?
Senior 3.
Senior 3. Okay. Hi. Good evening. What's your name?
My name is Abalamazi.
Come from where?
From Solongo district.
Solongo? Okay. How is the Solongo?
Okay.
It's okay. Okay. what do you feel when you join these people at this moment?
I'm feeling good.
Brother, what is your intention or your mission of being part of the pilgrimages who are going to
My
Enamugongo?
intention is I want to get some job in my prayers.
Okay, any last word to your friends, to the other people, any last word to other people? Any last word?
I also pray for those who are suffering in the hospital with accidents.
So it means that you decided to do this so that people who are injured, people who have got accidents, so that they can be healed. Okay, that's good. Your name? Speak louder. Where do you come from? How is it?
It's okay.
It's okay. How has been the journey?
The journey has not been bad.
Sachuta, how is it? Did they disturb you on the way?
The situation was okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Even the treatment was there?
Yes.
Was there ample treatment?
Yeah. From Biko up to here, we had enough treatment. Yeah.
Good evening, sir. Yeah. Your name? How has been the journey from where you came from up to this, and which district are you from?
I'm from Wela Parish, Jinja Castillo Diocese.
How has been the journey on the way?
The journey is okay, but my leg and baby now is not good because I'm going to Enamugongo and I'm sure I will do today.
Is it your first time?
No, that's 8 times.
8 times. So, can you elaborate for us some of the unique things really you've achieved through this whatever pilgrimages going to Enamugongo? What have you benefited? What are the good things you've got so that even other people can see it and really they follow? The good things you've so far got through going to Enamugongo, carrying out this pilgrimage to Enamugongo.
I got the grace, first, and I got everything which I want to do. My job, my family, if I have the problem, I live there and I talk to my problem and I will be okay if I go to Enamugongo. My problem was